Ẹ káalẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Adé ọmọ Adé. A dúpẹ́ pé Olóyè Sunday Igboho wọ́n ti gba òmìnira o. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kò yé àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa tí mo fẹ́ kó yé yín. Òmìnira tí Olóyè Sunday Igboho gbà kì í ṣe partial freedom o, total freedom lélẹ́yìí. Wọ́n ti gba òmìnira, wọ́n ti wà ní ààyè ara wọn báyìí tó ṣe pé ibi tó bá wù wọ́n lè jẹ̀ sí. Ibi tó bá wù wọ́n ni wọ́n lè jẹ̀ sí. Olóyè Sunday Igboho dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó wọ́n dúró nígbà tí ogun náà lè. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àpilẹ̀ṣọ wọn.
Good day everyone. I repeat myself, Chief Sunday Ádebanjo, aka Igboho. First of all, my sincere appreciation goes to God Almighty, the Master of the universe, for making this day. I want to say a big thank you to all Yorùbá sons and daughters all over the world for the love and support before and after the loss of my dear mother. Though she still kept at the morgue, waiting for me to come and give her the befitting burial that she deserves. I give special thanks to President of the Republic and to all members of his cabinet. My gratitude goes to my hero father, Professor Banji Akitoye, and Professor Soyinka for the support in the course of the struggle. My God reward you, Baba, for your standing courageously for Yorùbá nation and for me. You promised to stand by me through my order in Benin Republic, and you have fulfilled your promise. I will not forget to appreciate former President Obasanjo, Ádebanjo, for their roles. Even though only God gives freedom, let me use this opportunity to say thank you to all religious leaders, pastor, alpha, and the traditional worshipper for the prayer day and night. Our royal fathers, Oba and Chief in Yorùbá land, your love and support is so appreciated. But we need more of your support to deliver our land from the slavery of the Fulani, because Yorùbá land is ours. Although I have many Obas on my list, but Oba Francis Olusola Alao, His Majesty, the Olugbon of Oriire, Deputy Chairman of your State, Council of Obas and the Chief, Kábíyèsí Ọba Topsin, Oníbàrígà of Bariga, Kábíyèsí Ọba Tẹ́jọ́só, Oníkẹta of Oriire Kẹta, Kábíyèsí Olúgbò Ọba EFO, CON Frederick Akínrìntàn, Obateru Olúgbò of Igbo Kingdom. Your love and support is well appreciated. I also thank Mrs. Modupeola Oloye, Princess A. Awoniyi, Aliaja Apike Akepelu, Mr. Kayode Imola, Mrs. Odo USA, Aliaja Niniola, Mr. Malomo, and the others. Thanks for your support and God bless you. My brother Sunday A.K. Sami Japan, Uncle Tony Daudu, I thank you especially. I must not forget to appreciate the Mega Rally USA and the Prophet, under Prophet Olugbololuwa, and the Directorate under the leadership of Barrister Ogedengbe. Special thanks to Ilana Omodua, Canada, and Ibega Omodua, USA and Canada. Sinteli Momodu, I really appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. I also must sincere appreciation to Mr. and Mrs. Ayola Adenike Oladokun, USA, Mrs. Janet Fasaki, USA, and also one of my brother and wife from their immense support. Though they don't want their name mentioned. Special thanks to all media outlets, internet, printing and broadcast. Honestly, I have a long list of people to be appreciated, but I will have to pause here and then come back later. To all our political class and the others in Yorùbá land, let's join our hand to make Yorùbá great. All my brothers from the East, I appreciate your support. Thanks and God bless you.